Hi, this is a small video for the Homelite Super XL, which is on eBay. I'm going to do a quick video just to show the saw starting and idling. The saw's up for sale for spares or repair. It has, as far as I can see, it has 2 bolts missing off the crankcase cover, here and here. They're not metric threads, and I don't have anything remotely similar to match it. There's 1 bolt missing from the base, and the exhaust is incredibly loud, and it has the cover missing from here. So let's start it, and hopefully the small demo will be instructive and tell people if it's suitable for them. Earplugs. Okay, so it's incredibly loud, and chain looks like it's certainly sharp, but it's slack slightly, and it's got good compression. It seems to pull over well. So I'll wait for it just to settle, and then I'll show it on a restart. In my opinion, it seems to be high on the idle, and I don't want to mess around with it. I don't want to touch the screw settings. I don't know what they are for this chainsaw, but it seems to take longer than it should to come back to a steady idle. It seems to be a fast idle, so please be aware of it. There might be some issue in the carburetor. Obviously it's a very old machine, so it may need a new new gasket set, or it might need just tuning. So please be aware of that before you bid on it, to make sure you're happy with it. And of course, if anybody wanted to come out and see it firsthand, you're more than welcome to message me through eBay, and you're welcome to come and take a look. Okay, I'll restart it. Kill switch. Again, I don't know if it's doing a choke or not. Okay, so like I say, it's definitely taking longer than it should to come back to idle steady. I don't know if that's a carburation or a fuel pickup issue, I have no idea. And it has the side panel for the exhaust missing, and there's at least 3 screws missing off the chassis. So there's a few things to be aware of. Like I said, it's purely sold for spares or repair for somebody which is happy to readjust it and put the screws back in and get it ready to be safe to cut. Okay, hope that's useful, and thanks for watching.